Oh shit! Get 100,000!
Happy 100K!
Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you.
We're at the end of the world. I'm too pussy to go over there though, because what if I die and like I die before I hit 100,000? That's really sad. Instagram worthy. Go follow my Instagram, shameless self promo, and my spam account right here, right now. Pop it up. That's sick. I can't. Someone help. I can't. Oh my.
Yeah, you're like halfway there.
I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I made it. Holy shit. Can't believe I actually did this.
Just run the rest, honestly.
We did it, boys. 10 out of 10 would recommend the Nike Huarache runs. They're like the best running shoes I've ever had, and they're super comfy.
He's so cute. Her ears are so cute. I like her flat face.
I know. This is so aesthetically pleasing to me, like how set out these. Oh my god, this is amazing actually. No.
Oh, you got this.
Okay, that's too high.
No!
I already spilled most of it.
How do you swallow so fast? I should clean your room again? I think so too, but I don't have a messy room right now.
She should clean our room.
You guys, oh my god, we're at 92 guys, 992, we got this. I will shotgun this if we hit 100,000. Let's go. I gotta tell people to join my live stream.
Shouldn't be. It's best internet you can get. 100,000!
Alright, let's go.
Shotgun!
Oh! I gotta get a good thumbnail picture. Oh shit, kill it!
Oh!
We just hit 100K. I'm not taking a shot at that. But thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. I don't know how I got here, and I'll clean my room. I will clean my room for you guys since you guys want that so bad. I do not condone underage drinking. I just spilled the drink in my purse and my vlog camera's wet, and same with my passport. So we're in a car right now. I honestly don't know whose car this is. I don't know who I'm with. I just met these people like 10 minutes ago. I hope I really don't get kidnapped.
Welcome to Beaumont.
I'm in Beaumont, Alberta. So if you guys live in Beaumont, Alberta, that's cool.
Wait a minute now! Wait a minute!
They're standing side by side. Get them to make out. Get them to make out. Go, go, go! Ah! Ah!
We stand on guard for the happy 100K!
The police are being called. Everyone's trying to shut the f*** up. We out here.
If you don't shut up, you're getting kicked out!
I'm going to the pet store. Do you guys like my outfit? Looks good. We're at Petland. Oh my god, I used to have dwarf hamsters and just regular hamsters. Can I get you? God.
Buddy.
So cute.
No panting is like, this is something else, man.
Outfit right now is a bright pink hoodie and the sweats again. It's a look. But right now we're watching Incredibles 2, so that's cool.
I can't breathe!
So we watched the movie. It was a good movie. We went home for like 2 seconds and then we decided to buy a couch because the dogs fucked up the couch. Trying to go tubing in this sour key.
What?
Good job. Good job.
She yelled at me and she's not my mom.
We found the spot. Get arugula on it, please. All right, thank you. Okay, we're at this place called Blaze Pizza, and it's so good. It looks so good. That's what they got. So the plan is we're gonna swerve and we're gonna scream. He's napping, so I hope he thinks that we're crashing.
You guys are crazy.
He don't care.
Hey guys, Mai Pham here, coming with you guys for a nice vlog. We're about to clean our rooms, and we're with Mai Pham right here.
Ew.
cut off my dreadlock. First of all, Mai decided to make a dreadlock on me. Now, it is
No, Michael. Oh my god.
gone. Oh my god.
You're an idiot, Michael. You're an idiot.
Follow my Instagram, Michael.